Why set up a separate network for smart devices?
Smart home devices are convenient, but they can also be vulnerable to cyber attacks. Keeping them on a separate Wi-Fi network helps protect your main devices, like phones and computers, from security threats. This setup isolates less secure gadgets, reducing the risk of hackers accessing your personal data through your smart speakers, cameras, or lights.
What is a guest or dedicated network?
A guest network is a secondary Wi-Fi network separate from your main one. Many modern routers let you create this extra network easily. By connecting smart home gadgets only to this network, you keep your primary devices safe and maintain better control over which devices can access your main Wi-Fi.
Steps to create a separate network.
First, log into your router's admin page, usually through a web browser. Find the section labeled Guest Network or Add Network. Enable the network and set up a strong password. Name it something unique so you can recognize it easily. Save your settings. Your router may need to restart for changes to take effect.
Connecting smart devices to the new network.
After creating your separate network, connect your smart home devices to it using the new network name and password. Check each device's app or settings for Wi-Fi setup options. Once connected, these devices will only communicate with each other, not with devices on your main network, enhancing overall security.
Additional security tips.
Change your router's default admin password and keep your firmware up to date. Regularly review devices connected to your guest network. Whenever possible, enable features like network isolation to prevent devices from interacting with each other unnecessarily. These steps, combined with a separate network, provide stronger protection for your entire home.